Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to change pen tool shape to selection. Okay, select the pen tool. Example, see the shape or path. Example, I use make the shape, use selection to the shape. Not working after, simply hold Ctrl or right click, use select pixels. Press Ctrl, sorry, hold Ctrl, select the shape and selection to this image. Click the image, remove the shape, create a layer mask. Okay, and another way, press Ctrl D. Another way, click the again pen tool, shape to path, then hold Alt, select anything. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.